Good morning, everybody. Be safe, be responsible, and be positive also. Now, the king was very happy to have made peace with his enemy so easily and to have won him over as a friend. After heard the the bearded man, the king thought that he he had won a new friend. Okay, he he made over peace here. He not only forgave him, but said he would send his servant and his own doctor to look after him, and he promised to give back the man his property. Now, the king forgave the particular bearded man, and he had promised him that he would look after him, he would uh, allow him being a servant. Okay, he would send his own servant to him, own doctor to look after him, and he also promised him to back his property which he uh, seized. Okay, leaving the wounded means injured man, the king went out of the hut and looked round for the hermit. Now he again looked out for his question, and so he looked out for the hermit. Before going away, he wished once more to get answers to his questions. Now he again wished that he would get his answers from the hermit. The hermit was on his knees, sowing seeds in the beds that had been dug the day before. So, on that particular place where he dug last day, okay, the day before, now he sowing the seeds, okay, on that particular. It was the proper procedure to sowing seeds. The king went up to the hermit and said, "For the last time, I beg you to answer my questions." Now, he he told the hermit that about his question. Actually, he requested him last time, uh, please give me the answers of my questions. Now, you have already been answered, said the hermit, still bending down to the ground and looking up at the king as he stood before him. Now, see what the hermit told here. Hermit said that you got your answers, you have already got your answers. Okay, he said, he told the king about the answers, that he already got the answers of his questions. How have I been answered? What do you mean? Now king questioned that, how I got the answers? I still not know the answers of my questions. Do you not see? Replied the hermit. If you had not pitied my weakness yesterday and had not dug these beds for me, you would have gone away. Now, the hermit told the king that if you not do the work for me yesterday, not show your pity for me, so you would go from here. You would go from there. You would not stay there. Then that man would have attacked you, and you would have wished you had stayed with me. Okay, if you would go from here, the particular man attacked you, maybe you would kill. So the most important time was when you were digging the beds. Okay, so the most important, the first question was the time, about the time. So hermit told that the most important time was that were the time when you digging the beds, and I was the most important man at that time. I was the most important man, and to do me good was your most important business, and the most important work was to do work with me. So all the three questions were there, all the answers of three questions were there. Afterwards, when the man ran to us, the most important time was when you were caring for him. after sometimes the most important work for you, yeah, or we can say the most important time for the king was that when he was taking care of the particular injured person, because if you had not dressed his wound, he would have died without having made peace with you. Okay, if you would not do this, the particular person, particular bearded man would die, and you want to peace with him, it was not possible. So he was the most important man. So at that time, that particular person was the important man, and what you did for him was your most important business. So what the work, what the incident happened, that incident or that work was the most important work for you or on that particular time. Okay, so last two paragraph I will explain in next video. Okay student, till then stay safe, stay home, goodbye.